engineering ambition meets Micron-Level accuracy. TK80 offers 800, 550, 400 millimeters full-range machining coverage. Can handle 500 kilograms heavyweight materials like aerospace-grade aluminum, titanium, and composites. With an 18.5 tons footprint, it's perfect for space-sensitive workshops. It can deliver Micron-Level precision with repeatability of is less than or equal to 0.003 millimeters. Whether you're working on engine components or precision molds, the TK80 ensures exceptional performance and accuracy. We are your partner for providing excellent return on investment with special metalworking solutions.